Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety here with today's lesson about violence in the workplace. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. The workplace is any location, permanent or temporary, where an employee performs work or work-related activities. Workplace facilities include lunchrooms, restrooms, break rooms, vehicles used for work, and parking facilities. Workplace violence contributes to employees' injuries, stress, increased sick days, reduced morale, lost wages, and higher healthcare costs. In this lesson, we'll talk about the types and sources of workplace violence and physical or verbal threats to be aware of. Violence in any setting is unfortunate. Workplace violence may occur from many sources. As we go over the types of violence and what they include, think of ways you can be a positive influence to those around you and help prevent such violence. The first type is type 1 violence, which means that the offender does not have a legitimate relationship with the business or its employee. Robbery is most often the motive. Most workplace violence falls into this category. Usual victims include convenience store and liquor store employees, taxi cab drivers, restaurant and grocery store employees, hotel and motel clerks. Type 2 violence, the victim is a service provider and the offender is receiving services. Usual victims include police and public safety professionals, medical care providers, social workers, attorneys, and judges. Type 3 violence, the offender has some type of relationship with the business or an employee. Usual offenders are current or former employees, current or former friends of employees, relatives of employees, current or former customers. And finally, type 4 violence. The offender is involved with a spouse or other significant relationship. This type of violence is more prominent with female employees. It is extremely important that any verbal threats, threatening conduct, or workplace security hazard be reported to your supervisor immediately.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.